So hey guys, today I'm here to introduce a brand new program which is already launched on 8th of August, whose name is CryptoKit. So in this video, we will discuss what is CryptoKit, what's the features and how you can make money with this CryptoKit software. So stay connected at the end. So CryptoKit is a cloud-hosted brandable cryptocurrency decentralized exchange, or DEX or short, allowing people to connect their crypto wallet or create one on your website and buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies, earning you passive automated fees from every transaction. So here I am on the sales page of CryptoKit. Here we take a look at some goodies part on this sales page which you should know. So here you can see some brief features that you will receive after getting CryptoKit. So the first is brandable white label crypto software you will receive. You can add logo and activate your monetized crypto app. Then for you instant activation and setup. Here is inbuilt crypto wallet creator on your site. Here is pre-installed fully functional DEX. This is decentralized exchange earns admin services fees you will receive. You can add gamified reward systems, drops regular tokens on your website. Here is automated coin flip and lottery monetization systems. Here is nothing to install. This is mobile friendly and work on all devices. Admin and membership app is cloud hosted. You can claim your payments direct to your own crypto wallet. And these are some two bonuses which you will receive after getting this software. So the first bonus is viral traffic affiliate program and the second is auto blog with viral incentivized sharing pre-installed blog. So if we come below here, you can see some reviews of the customers. So now if I talk about the benefits of CryptoKit. So with CryptoKit, you will get multiple automated crypto systems in a beautiful package white label app. Here is the beginner friendly activation. Our average person completely new in the system has their entire crypto site set up, branded and profit today in about 1 minute. And the brandable crypto software make your website have the look and feel you want by customizing the colors, changing the text, uploading your own logo. And the crypto wallet creator, visitors arriving on your website will be prompted to connect their crypto wallets, or if they don't have one, they can create a wallet on your website, making this easy even for people who have never heard about a crypto before. And here is the DEX trading platform. Your website lets people to use their credit cards to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, Solana and any other cryptocurrencies in the systems. They can trade between currencies or send and receive tokens to customers or friends. And the best thing is you will receive an admin transaction fee for every transaction added directly into your wallet. So that's the wonderful income source for you also. And here is gamified reward system. You can add some additional games to your visitors. Engaging lottery game, members can buy tickets and win prizes on your website. You can also add addictive coin flip game. Member can choose their stake and flip a coin. If they win, the prize is added to their admin transaction fee you will also receive. So that's the also very beautiful part of this crypto. And here is the tracking and custom scripts they will provide. Tracking and customizing and CryptoKit traffic is easy. Simply add your Google Analytics ID on your Facebook pixel and it is ready to go. Or if you want to try something advanced strategies or have a different scripts you will like to use. And the best thing is social media growth. You can also add links to your Discord channel of your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram link, Twitter and YouTube links, so that whatever traffic you will receive on your websites, they can also follow you on your social handles, so that you can create your audience as you grow your crypto balances too. So that's a very effective feature. So here is my quick review of CryptoKit. I hope you have got all information about CryptoKit. So if you are interested in trying this crypto earning system, so I have put the CryptoKit link in the description box so you can easily check it out. And if you buy this software through my link, then I will also provide you my $1,000 worth premium bonuses, which would also help you to make some extra cash from my side. So don't forget to use my link. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next review. Until then, chase your dreams. Thanks for watching.